Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the arrow keys when they're not working correctly in Excel. Let's get started. If the arrow keys aren't working as expected, most probably the scroll lock is on. This is indicated in the bottom left corner, so check there to see whether it says scroll lock. If that's the case, we need to turn off the scroll lock, and there are two ways to do that. The first method is to locate the scroll lock key on your keyboard and turn it off. If you can't find the scroll lock key on your keyboard, here's an alternative method. The scroll lock can be turned off using a virtual on-screen keyboard, available on every computer. To display this on-screen keyboard, click on the Start button at the bottom left part of the taskbar and type on-screen keyboard into the search field. Now click on the scroll lock key to turn off scroll lock. Close the keyboard window and freely navigate around and between cells in the Excel spreadsheet using the arrow keys. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.